Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry, and there is a long list, very long list of state parks in Texas, and I have been to quite a few of them over the years, camping and making videos. There are only 2 state parks in Texas that are along the Gulf Coast. One is in Galveston, and here is on Mustang Island, which is just down the coast from Galveston, and which is very close to Corpus Christi. Now, all of these state parks have an admission fee of $3, $4, $5, or $6, something like that, and most of them have camping with electric hookups with very reasonable rates, usually about $15 to $30, something like that. I think most of them are actually $20. And since this one is at the beach, I'm going to show you around Mustang Island State Park, Texas. There is the office where you check in for the campground, and right across from there is the dump station for RVs with rinse water here, and right off to the left is campground for RVs. And look at this gigantic restroom building. I don't think many people live in houses that big. Right now the restrooms are closed due to a pipe breaking. Oh, jeez. And I was wondering if they have showers in there. There is a bottle water fill and fountain. They do have outdoor showers right here. And then they have backup porta potties. Now the second half of the building is just more restrooms. And I think that back there's a door that I think is used for storage. I think this is interesting. They've got this very elaborate deck going out to this viewing platform. But all you can view from here is the grassy dunes. Why do you need a viewing platform? That probably cost them a few $1,000s. to look over this grassland. I don't know. Now this is something else I find pretty amazing. There is the check-in kiosk. There is the office building where you go in to register with the person that is running the office. And here they have 5 camp hosts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all filled with RVs. What the heck job are these park hosts going to do when they have at least 2 employees permanently in the office building and the front check-in kiosk? They give free camping to the park hosts, so I think it is just an excuse to get free camping. I can understand maybe 1 camp host, but why the heck do they need 5? I don't see why they need any. The campground is just this one long paved strip here, which looks plenty wide enough for a commercial jet to land. And there's 48 spaces here for RV hookups. There's mine. And look at all the bug splatter on it. I'm going into Corpus Christi tomorrow, and I finally decided I'm going to go to one of those truck wash places and have it done for me. Scraping those bud splatters off of the windshield and then off of here. That is a hard job. I've tried to do it, and man, it takes some really hard scrubbing. So I'm going to see if the professionals have a better way of doing it. So what you get is a covered picnic table, barbecue grill, and on the other side is 20, 30, 50 amp electrical and a fresh water faucet there. Now, one disadvantage here is that you cannot see the beach from the campground because they have this little bit of buildup of the dune there, blocking your view of the beach. From the campground here, there is a paved road that goes out to the beach. Let's check that out. There is a huge parking lot here. And here is the path that goes out to the beach. And on the path here is where you're going to find the best quality sand anywhere near here. Once you get out on the beach, you'll see that the fluffy sand is only along the dunes. And the path right there, further out towards the water, is pretty hard sand. In fact, the sand out here is so hard you can easily, safely drive an RV down the beach. And you can see some over there, some RVs way down there, and it is just incredibly windy. You might be able to tell from the sound. And if you want to camp on the beach in a town, without the big construction $5 per person per day, when you got 2 people camping one night on the beach, that's $20. You can see how rough the waves are there. Unusually rough. That's because it's so windy and it's picking up the water and waves like that. And this is the Mustang Island State Park outdoor classroom. I'm not sure what they teach there, but I'm not very impressed because look at these 3 signs. The sign for Waikiki Beach is in the wrong direction. I've never heard of Riley Beach and Palm Beach. I think they're way off on their miles. It's pointing out towards the ocean. So it must be some other Palm Beach I've never heard of. Here's the classroom demonstration there. I wonder what they demonstrate. This actually would be a good place to boondock when it's warm, with the wind blowing like crazy, keeping you cooler, and there's no sand blowing because the water, the wind is coming off of the ocean, and there's no sand to blow right off of the water. I went into the water earlier, up to my neck, fighting the waves. And by the way, this is September 23 for good reference. And the water was not terribly cold. It was really very refreshing. It's a hot day. Not terribly hot, but it's warm enough to have air conditioning on all day long in my motorhome. So it did feel good to go out and cool off in the waves. If you want to play in the sand, it's some nice, good quality fluffy sand, but you have to get into the dunes here to get to it. You can see the sand blowing, but it's blowing away from the beach. Well, folks, we found out that The camping on the beach is for tents only. I'm at the point where they have these posts, and this says no vehicles beyond this point, right there. And I was told at the office that you can drive a vehicle out here on the other side of the post. Inside the post area is a safe vehicle area, and you're not allowed to stay overnight on the beach in a vehicle or past these posts. Nothing out here. Inside the post area, you can tent camp. Now, the guy who owns this car I talked to, he said many times he's driven his car out on the beach, but these high winds are bringing the real thick sand inland, and he really got himself stuck. He's calling a record coming out right there. He said he's been here many, many times and driven out on the beach in his car. I came out here to look at the jetty. There is a jetty about a mile or two way down the beach there, but I just can't see it from this point. It's on the map. There's a porta potty. Look, I really want to show you as well on the jetty and do some fishing out there. Folks, this is a really nice park. Nice campground. And want to fight the waves?